For 48 years we have run a firework display. The last couple of days it's been about trying to take over the park essentially and gradually own the arena that we've got here. We've got tracking that's come in, building a bonfire, making sure that the food court comes in, and a little bit of fairground. So yeah, it's just been making sure everything's ready and that people can get in safely and get set up. So we're nearly there. Lucky that we have a working relationship with the Lions, the Rotary clubs, etc. And those teams really do the jobs that we can't do. So they're manning the gates, making sure that everyone gets in safely and so on. It works very, very well. Changed the layout of the arena. We've moved the stage to an area which we think is going to be much better. We've got a big screen that people are hoping going to be able to see what's going on the night, and hopefully it's going to have a real good concert feel and then enjoy the fireworks. People may or may not realise Round Table is a totally voluntary organisation. You know, at the core of it is doing some good work for our community. Principle for us is to distribute any money that we do predominantly in the local area. So that might be a local charity, it does work with kids. It might be an individual though that perhaps needs a wheelchair or something like that. Couldn't do it without people giving up the time before the event and in preparation and over the weekend, and there's so many people that are giving up time, quality time with their family, taking annual leave, whatever it might be to make this event happen. So we're always 100% so grateful for all that help that we get, and it's going to be awesome.